Good day, my name is Ting Braithwaite. I'm a member of the South African Brahman Judges Panel. We had Hale Bronner doing our Judges Conference. We'd like to do a little short video to explain to you people what we're looking for in the Brahman industry. The Brahman is an Indicus breed. It's known for its hardiness. It's used mostly in crossbreeding programs in the commercial market. Many of the synthetic breeds are made up with the Brahman. Many of the feedlotters use the Brahman or the Brahman cross calves for their extra growth. The Brahman is also known for its adaptability. You can find it all over the country, from the cold areas to the dry areas. It's an animal that is very good in its mobility, so it can go right up into the mountains. It's in the flats of the Free State. For that reason, many of the commercial farmers use this breed. When we're judging a Brahman bull or evaluating a Brahman, we'll start with the bull here that's in front of us. We look for masculinity. Obviously we're wanting the beef qualities too. When we're looking for masculinity, look at the head of the Brahman, start with the muzzle. You want a nice broad muzzle. It must be nice and broad in the eye banks, strong nasal bone, short head, total masculinity of the head, carries on into the neck. You want nice definition of muscling in the neck, a well-defined hump placed directly above the shoulder. Many of the bulls will have a dark coloring, which is your pigmentation of the shoulder. That shows your masculinity too. When we're looking at the middle piece of the bull, we want a bull with a nice strong top line, good spring of rib on the bull. These are primal cuts that are used in the restaurant industry, your steaks, your T-bones. So when we're looking at the hind quarter of a bull, we want nice roundness in the hind quarter, width in the hind quarter, especially in the pin bones. This is obviously where our expensive cuts come from. Okay, then from there we look at the legs of the animal. We want correct hocks with a bit of slight curvature to them. We don't want straight-legged animals or post-hocked animals. These animals battle with mobility in the felt. And then obviously we don't want sickle-hocked animals too. That's when the curve on the back leg is too prominent. These animals also are undesirable in our breed. When we look at the reproductive organs of a bull, we start with the testes. We want well-developed testes with good volume. This is obviously the factory of the animal. This is where the semen is produced, and if we don't have any semen, obviously we won't have any calves. With the sheath, we want a sheath about 45 degrees. We don't want that excessive navel or sheaths that are too heavy. These are the sheaths that cause problems with the bull in the felt and that, picking up injuries. We also don't want any prolapsing of the prepuce. Moving on to the front legs, we want good bone on these animals, as these are beef producing animals. Good width between the chest floor. When we're looking at the hooves, we must look for genetic problems like roll claw. We want evenly shaped hooves that have worn correctly, because these are obviously cattle that are extensive and they must be able to walk out there in the veld. So overall, we want a nice strong masculine bull with good length of body, good capacity in the middle piece, good width, and overall structural soundness.